Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do an April spread for you. Let's see what are the energies surrounding you right now, Capricorn, and what we can expect and how we can use these energies to have a wonderful month of April. And these are general collective readings, Capricorn, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Capricorn, let's begin your read, and welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here, and of course if you're new here, we welcome you back. Welcome you in to our Omkara family. If you enjoy the reading, do subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Wow, so the cards I have on the table right now, Capricorn, is the Emperor, Six of Wands, Page of Swords, Queen of Wands, Six of Swords, the High Priestess, Three of Swords, and a secret message from the universe. Seven of Wands under my spread. So this is either trying to see things from, a higher ground now, Capricorn, or maybe being a little bit, sorry, why am I stuttering? Being a little defensive here. Okay, either you or somebody else around you. So let's put this here. And don't worry about this Three of Swords card, Capricorn. This is in the position of how people see you. Okay, not necessarily how you are, because from what I see, you're sitting in all your power and glory. You're coming across as the emperor who's taken back charge and control of their own life. People can think whatever they want. It doesn't have to be true, right? This is people's perception. Excuse me. I'm sorry, I forgot to put my phone off. Okay, sorry. I've put it off, ringer off, and I'm back for the reading. Okay. So, yes, and Capricorn, if any of you are looking for a private reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Before I start clarifying these cards, Capricorn, I am going to take a Ganesha Oracle card to see how Lord Ganesha is going to bless this reading. Lord Ganesha, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Capricorn, please. And guess what? I get the beautiful card of relaxation. See, this is what you're being advised to do in the month of April. I think you've been through whatever you've been through. It's time to leave all troubles behind and move to a happy, calm place for yourself. And yes, take back control and power of your own life. So this will be very important for you, Capricorn. Chill, take a chill pill, all right? Maybe you've been through something which has been heartbreaking in the past, but now it's time for you to shine. And yes, maybe you need a bit of rest before anything new in your life. So let's put this card here. It's a sweet card, isn't it, Capricorn? There's Lord Ganesha sitting on a swing in the moonlight. Chilling, relaxing. So this is your advice from Lord Ganesha. Okay, so let's start clarifying these cards. So why is Capricorn in the Emperor energy currently, Spirit? What's this Emperor for Capricorn? What's this Emperor for Capricorn? Oh, okay. Capricorn, you could be maybe taking back power, taking back control of yourself, trying to take care of yourself. Oh my God. I have the Ten of Pentacles. So I have a feeling that you're not allowing any bullshit to come towards you, and you're saying, hey, listen, yes, I do want the Ten of Pentacles. I am already in the Nine of Pentacles energy, where I'm single, I'm abundant, I can take care of myself, and maybe that's what... Excuse me so much. I got excited seeing your cards. And here you are, I mean, the Nine of Pentacles and the Ace of Pentacles. So you know what you're saying? Yes, I did want this Ten of Pentacles. But I already have my Nine. I'm gorgeous. I can take care of myself. I'm looking good, feeling good, growing pentacles around me. The one pentacle short, I'm going to grow that for myself as well. right? I'm not going to allow any bullshit around me. I'm going to cut off people who don't serve my highest good. With this 9 and 1, I'm going to create the 10 of Pentacles myself. And being quite discerning about it as well. You're taking back control and charge of your own life, Capricorn, and doing a great job of it. Not only are you looking good, you're feeling good, you are abundant. You're abundant by yourself and creating the 10 of Pentacles scenario for yourself. Okay. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for Capricorn to get into this energy? I would like to know that secret too, Capricorn. Please put it down in the comments. What are you doing to have so much resilience? 6 of Wands. What's the 6 of Wands in the recent past? Okay, so you were dealing with somebody who was rather immature here. So if this was a job, this was like a freelancing job, I would say. In and out, never consistent, never really offering you what you really deserved. You were waiting for that 1 pentacle, right? You had the 9 pentacles, you were waiting for this 10th pentacle, which was upside down. So it was being offered by, it wasn't your fault. It was being offered by somebody who was not stable. For example, if this was a company, they were not a stable company. They didn't have the finances to add to that 10th pentacle for you. Or if this was a partnership or a lover, this person was immature, inconsistent, player, never offering. So you shut down something here with something from your past which was not consistent, put an end to it, and went on to that journey of being victorious by yourself. And here you are achieving it, at least in the process. So what can Capricorn expect now, Spirit, in April? Page of Swords. What's this Page of Swords? You're learning new things, I think. Yes, you have a lot of options in front of you, Capricorn. This could maybe confuse you a little bit. You may get confused with the amount of options and new beginnings that are coming, don't get flabbergasted. Spirit is saying, hey, take a chill pill. You don't have to do everything together. But I do see you have a very curious mind in April, Capricorn. You're studying things, you're learning new things, you're trying to find more information, maybe trying to do new courses, or I don't know what, but your mind is a bit scattered, right? You are a little confused, little emotionally overwhelmed, I think, with all the new horizons that are opening up for you. What else can Capricorn expect, Spirit, in April? Excuse me. What else can Capricorn expect? What else? Transformation. Capricorn, I have something, my throat is itching big time. I need a glass of water. Can I just excuse myself for 1 second? I'm so sorry. Okay. So, Capricorn, this is what you can expect. New beginnings, transformation of your entire life, I think. What's this transformation going to bring, Spirit, for Capricorn in the month of Nine of Wands? Quick action, quick movement. If your life has been stagnant till now, Capricorn, April is going to be the month of so many options, news, back and forth, internet, WhatsApp messages, emails, I don't know what. There's going to be a lot of action here. It's going to transform your life completely. Because why? Because you've taken back power, taken back control of your own life, no longer allowing anybody else bringing in and out energy into your life. Okay? You've taken the reins of your life in your hands. It's just that, yes, don't overdo it, because this transformation is coming with or without your help, Capricorn. So you don't have to really push very hard. I think it's time to take a chill pill and enjoy the way life is going to unfold for you. this is destiny from what I see. Okay, so what should Capricorn hold on to? Capricorn, hold on to the Six of Swords feeling where if you've been in rocky water, if there's been any kind of, look at these waves all up and down and rocky and not stable and rocking the boat, you are being guided now into a very calm, beautiful, look at the lake in front, it's all calm and nice, and these people are moving away from anything that was troubling into a happier space for themselves. That's what you should hold on to, Spirit is saying. You are being pushed out of a rocky place to a very calm place, happy place in your life. So hold on to that feeling that yes, this is the right path, and as I move forward, I'll only feel better, happier, and more relaxed in my life. Just like Lord Ganesha. Yes. So what should Capricorn hold on to? The Six of Swords. Maybe in the past you were looking for, a commitment or a more balanced position or something. Somebody kind of maybe didn't offer that to you in the past, and you have felt kind of defeated. You may have felt kind of defeated at not getting what you deserve. But now Spirit is saying, hold on to this feeling that this was just a phase, it's over now, and you're being pushed into a very good place for yourself. So what should Capricorn let go of, Spirit? What should Capricorn let go of? Okay. Capricorn, I think it's time to let go of all this heartbreak, of emotional unhappiness. Spirit is saying, we've given you this beautiful wand, you're looking good, you're smelling good, you're making money now. You have to now focus on yourself because everybody else is. The honest truth is the Queen of Wands is an energy where everybody's got their eyes on this Queen of Wands, because the Queen of Wands is an energy, right? Not masculine, feminine. This is a go-getter. This is a person who makes things happen, makes magic happen. People look at this person for inspiration. So Spirit is saying, if in the past you have suffered, excuse me, if you have suffered any kind of emotional unhappiness or heartbreak, it's a thing of the past, Capricorn. You start first admiring yourself for what you are, who you are, okay? And believe it or not, people see it in you. Sometimes the Queen of Wands doesn't know what a Queen of Wands is. But everybody around is in awe of this Queen of Wands. This is the most attractive energy as a card in the tarot. When I pull out the it's the Queen of Cups is loving, kind, gentle. Queen of Swords is intelligent or very whatever. Empress is something else. But when a Queen of Wands enters the room, this is an attractive, powerful queen. This is somebody who can make magic happen, like I said before. So please start admiring and respecting yourself, and don't, keep looking back into other people who may have kind of hurt you or not shown you your worth. So let's see, what can be your biggest blockage? Your biggest blockage is the High Priestess. Keeping things to yourself. Okay. High Priestess. Listen. You have to listen to your intuition, Spirit is saying. You are getting a lot of messages. Yes, you are getting a lot of messages. Spirit is saying, you have to listen to your intuition, because somebody from your past may reappear here, Capricorn. Somebody from your past with whom you ended things, right? This could be an old job offer, an old tenant, or an old lover, or a relationship, or a child, or I don't know who. Somebody from your past may reappear, offering you maybe, I'm sorry, can we do this again, kind of a thing. Spirit is saying, listen to your intuition, okay? Don't speak too much, listen. Not just listen to the person, but listen to your guides as well, as to what is the real reason for this person returning. Something that you've ended things with. Okay. Otherwise, Let's take one more. Spirit, why? What's this blockage? How will this become a blockage? How will this become a blockage for Capricorn? Because Spirit says right now you're in that healing place. Don't let anyone disrupt you. If something has bothered you from the past, which you feel can come back in your life and disrupt your healing process, don't allow that immediately. Okay? Take your time. Take your time. Relax a bit. Take a chill pill and let life unfold the way it's meant to. And it is unfolding big time into a very positive direction. So how do others see my Capricorn? Others see you as a bit heartbroken, Capricorn. What's this Three of Swords? Three of Swords. Yes, others see that either others see either somebody wants a reunion with you, Capricorn, here. They want to restart things with you, but they see that you're too heartbroken, too emotionally drained, and you're not interested in restarting something. They feel you've already released that burden. You are still sitting in your heartbreak and not interested in maybe going out with friends also, or celebrating life, or reconciling with anyone from your past, because maybe you're still suffering a bit of hurt from the past. Okay? So this is how people see you. This is immaterial. You should never really bother about how people see you. You go on to being the best version for yourself. Okay? Just do the right thing for you at the moment and just relax. So let's see what Spirit's secret message is for you. The Moon. Okay? Alright. Why is the Moon your secret message, Spirit, for Capricorn? What's this Moon card? Ooh. You are going to get a very good offer, Capricorn. My God, look at this. Nine of Cups. Okay. Wish fulfillment. The Sun. Happiest card in the deck. An absolute rebirth happening by a fabulous new offer that's coming your way. Knight of Cups. This doesn't seem like old energy to me, Capricorn. Or if this is an old energy, it's coming to you in a very, very new way. And Spirit is saying this sometimes, because this can be like rebirth, maybe with an old person, I don't know, but it could also be in rebirth of your own life with a brand new partner or some new offer. It would be a new job, which is going to make you extremely happy. Okay? The only message, a secret message from Spirit is try and keep a little quiet about it. Okay? Don't reveal everything to everyone immediately. Just kind of keep it in your pocket, in your heart. What else, Spirit, with the Moon card? What else with the Moon card? This is going to be fabulous, fabulous. Look at this. The Fool. Absolute brand new beginning of your life. It's going to make you really emotional, but Spirit is saying, it's here for you. We gift this to you. I mean, I've never seen so many positive cards straight off as an advice. The Fool, Knight of Pentacles, this is brand new life, brand new love, extreme happiness, a brand new life altogether. Spirit is saying, yes, we haven't told you that yet. It's still hidden in the dark, right? You maybe don't see it, and you must be laughing and saying, what is Omkara Tarot saying? This is, we don't see anything new coming into our life, but it is. It's just hidden, you can't see it yet. This is a secret, the Spirit's secret. Like I asked, what's your secret message for Capricorn? And they said, hey, it's a secret. We're giving them all this, but we're not going to tell you right now. Okay? So that's all I have for you. So Capricorn, take a chill pill, it's coming. Let the universe do their job. Okay? You heal yourself, take care of yourself, and step back and just enjoy the ride. So see you next time then. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.